Okay, we've got a Chevy Colorado in Alexandria, Virginia. Dent in the upper door and cab corner. Kind of a tricky spot. There's no way to get behind that damage and push it from the inside. So for this job, we used the glue pulling technique. That's where we use specialized glue, put it on a plastic tab, let it harden, pull it up with a lifter device, and then tap down. Repeat that process multiple times until the metal gets flat. You can see here there was no need to drill holes, no body work, no paint. Basically just need to polish out that scuff mark and this thing is ready to go. Repair took about an hour and a half, 2 hours, and the results are fantastic. There's the aftermath. That's all the glue tabs I used, so multiple pulls. Utilized a new glue from Anson called Tequila Glue. Pulled fantastic, really happy with that new product, happy with the repair. Thanks for watching.